1987 Toyota 4Runner, wearing 285/75/16 guard dog tread rights, MTs, so basically a Goodyear MTR tread. The speedometer is off, about 18% over stock. Windows up, concrete roadway. Window down. It's a beautiful day. This is me just talking in a normal inside voice. This truck's already loud to begin with. This is not it's not the Cadillac of trucks. Window up. So right now we're probably doing about 71, 72, give or take. Going with the flow. You got a big truck passing us by. About 72 right here. Now we're transitioning on to pavement. Off the gas. And neutral. Much quieter. There you go. So that's again, these tires are actually pretty quiet. So far for the price, I am one happy guy.